Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change clothes in a photo using Pippit AI. Pippit AI is an AI tool that will help you create and edit content faster, including photos or maybe visual editings or videos. And if you want to try it too, make sure to click the link in the description or pinned comment to open this platform. And first, just open a Pippit AI like this, and then next just tap on the image generator, this one, and then next just upload the photo that you want to edit. In here, you can upload from your computer or asset or many more. In here, I want to upload from my computer, and then I want to upload this photo like this. And after that, now you have two options. You can either describe the new outfit using text, or you can also upload a reference image of clothing that you want. For example, in here I want to use a shirt from another photos, a jacket photos like this. And then I will just type a simple prompt like this. Change the shirt in the first photo with the jacket from the second photo. For example like this, and then next you can just choose your AI model over here, and then you can choose your photos quality or resolutions, and then you can adjust the size, and after that just simply tap on submit, and then just wait a moment. And okay, like this you can see it, the t-shirt already changed with the jacket like this, and I think the result, it looks so good, it looks so natural, and the jacket it's really same with the with the jacket photo that I upload like this. And okay, that's it. The easy ways to change or edit the clothes in a photo using Pippit AI. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.